We start with Oversway and hover to promenade position. Other figures of routine we will do later. Lady starts with left foot, forward, then to side and she sways to right and head weight to right, then change sway to left and head weight to left, then rotation is to left, then rotation to right, then rise up on toes, turn head to promenade position and to side in promenade. And now let's focus on man's steps and actions. Man starts with the right foot, he goes back down line of dance, to side in promenade, sway to left, now change sway to right and head weight to right, so you look to lady, now rotation to left, then rotation to right, now rise up on toes, close feet, turn head to promenade and to side in promenade. Let's look again, this time with teaching count, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look again. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at lady's action. Lady goes to side in promenade, look to right, change sway to left, then rotation to left, now rotation to right, then rise up on toes, close feet, turn head to promenade and to side in promenade. Now man's steps. Man starts with left foot to side in promenade, sway to left, look to left, now change sway to right and look to right. Notice that knee goes forward and leftwards when head weight goes to right. Then we have this axis under angle and we will rotate around this axis to left and then to right. Then we rise up on toes, close feet and go to side in promenade position. And once again in teaching hold we go to side, sway, now we change sway. Now in this position we rotate to left, then to right, then we rise up on toes, head weight to promenade position and go to side to promenade. And now hesitation change, which is first figure of our routine. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, lower, and then back to side and close without weight. Now let's focus on lady's steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, lower, then forward to side and close without weight. Let's look at details of man's heel pull. Man goes with left foot back, toe, heel, then draws heel of right foot, then inside edge of foot, and goes then to side and closes without weight. Let's look again. So man goes with left foot back, toe, heel, then draws right heel, then inside edge of right foot, turns on heel of left foot, goes to side and closes without weight. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now double reverse spin. Man starts with left foot, he goes forward, then goes to side around lady, then closes left foot without weight and lowers. Let's look again. Lady starts with right foot, back, closes feet in heel turn, man goes around, then she goes to side and cross in front and then lowers. And 1, 2 and 3. And from opposite direction. And 1, 2 and 3. And now exercise for heel turn. We start with right foot back, then we close foot in heel turn and forward. Back, close, forward. Again, back, close, forward, and back, close, forward. So man will start with left foot forward, then goes to side with right foot on toe, so axis is on right foot, we close left foot and turn at same time. This is how we end double reverse spin. Let's look again. We go forward, then to side, axis is on right foot, we turn around this axis, at same time we close left foot on toe without weight. And this is how it's done. And now steps 1 to 3 of reverse turn. This figure precedes our oversway. Man starts with left foot forward, then right foot to side, and we close feet and lower. Let's do again. Lady starts with right foot, back to side, and then close and lower. With teaching count. 1, 2, 3. Let's do again. And 1, 2, 3. And now chasse from promenade position. This figure follows our oversway and hover to promenade. So we start in promenade position with V shape between our bodies. Man starts with right foot forward and across, then to side, close, and to side and slightly forward. Let's look again. Lady starts with left foot forward and across in promenade position. Then next step to side, close, and to side and slightly back. In chasse from promenade position, lady will turn from promenade position, which is V shape, quarter turn to left and close promenade. So again, from promenade position to closed position. And 1, 2 and 3. Again. And 1, 2 and 3. And now let's look at routine in slow motion. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. And now let's look at routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.